Here today we are going to take one question which was asked earlier in the board exam. I consider it as a good question to understand this particular topic, that is past adjustments, better. Okay. The question goes like this. There are three partners, Eileen, Monu and Ahmed, and after the adjustments of profit, that means profit has been distributed, drawing has been adjusted, their closing capitals were rupees 1,60,000, 1,20,000 and rupees 80,000. Later on, it was discovered that the interest on capital and interest on drawing has not been calculated and they have been omitted. They were not recorded, considered. The profit for the year 40,000 was distributed among the partners in the profit sharing ratio before considering interest on capital and interest on drawing. During the year, the first two partners, Eileen and Monu, each withdrew rupees 24,000 in equal installments in the beginning of each month. Total drawing they have mentioned 24,000 rupees. Okay, and they are withdrawing this particular amount in the beginning of each month. Ahmed withdrew a total of 48,000 in equal installments at the end of each month. Interest on drawing is charged at the rate of 5% and interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. The profit sharing ratio is 2:1. All of you again recall, okay? The profit is 40,000. Drawings for Eileen and Monu is 24,000. For Ahmed it is 48,000. Interest on drawing 5% was omitted and interest on capital was also omitted at the rate of 10%. So now we have to first calculate the opening capital. They had not introduced capital or they had not withdrawn the capital. So interest on capital will be allowed on the opening balance. So first working will be for the calculation of opening capital. Now see, this is the formula. Okay, closing capital plus drawing, closing capital plus drawing minus profit credited, that will give you opening capital. Okay, Eileen's closing capital was 1,60,000, drawing for the year was 24,000 and profit credited 40,000 was distributed in the ratio of 2:1:1. So Eileen got 20,000, that will be deducted. So Eileen's opening capital is 1,64,000 rupees. Monu's closing capital was 1,20,000, drawings 24,000 and profit credited was 10,000. So opening capital of Monu is 1,34,000 rupees. In case of Ahmed, closing capital is 80,000, drawings were 48,000 and profit credited was 10,000. So after the calculation, the opening capital of Ahmed was 1,18,000 rupees. On these opening balances, interest on capital will be allowed at the rate of 10%. Now you see, interest on Eileen's capital at the rate of 10% is 16,400 rupees. Monu's, it is on this 1,34,000, 10%, 13,400. And interest on Ahmed's capital is 11,800 rupees. Okay, see, these are the opening capitals and interest on capital is this three amount. Okay, now see the next slide. We will calculate the interest on drawing. Now Eileen withdrew rupees 2,000 every month in the beginning, so average period will be 6.5 months. So using the formula, interest on drawing is equal to 24,000 at the rate of 5% for 6.5 months, that is coming to rupees 650 rupees. The same calculation for Monu, interest on drawing will be 650 rupees. In case of Ahmed, the amount is 48,000. Average period, because it is at the end of the every month, it's 5.5. At the rate of 5%, it is 1,100 rupees. So interest on capital we have calculated, interest on drawing we have calculated. Now we have to prepare the analytical table to find out the net amount of to be included in the rectification entry. Now see, this is the analytical table for Elaine, Monu and Ahmed. It's the debit side credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, and for firm also it is debit and credit. Interest on capital will be credited to the respective partners capital account. So Elaine will be credited by 16,400, Monu by 13,400 and Ahmed by 11,800 rupees. Interest on drawing, debit 650, Monu will be debited by 650 and Ahmed by 1100. So partners are debited and firm will be credited. Now see, the difference 39,200 was divided among the partners as profit, because interest on capital was not allowed, so divisible profit was more, and which was distributed among the partners. Okay, 39,200 was distributed among the partners in the ratio of 2:1:1. So that will be taken back. Okay, that will be reversed. Profit distribution will be reversed. So that is 19,600 debited to Elaine's capital, 9,800 and 9,800 in case of Monu and Ahmed. Now all of you find out the net difference. First total is calculated. 20,250 debited to Elaine and credited amount is 16,400. So the net difference is 3,850 rupees. Okay, now see students, please do the calculation yourself. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything you do it yourself. Until you practice, you will not understand these questions properly. Now take the case of Monu. Monu's debit side total is 10,400 rupees and credit side total is 13,400. That means the credit side exceeds by 2,950. Monu will be credited in the rectification entry. Now take Ahmed. Debit side total is 11,900 and credit side total is 11,800. So credit side total is exceeding by 900 rupees. Now see, these two partners will be credited and Elaine will be debited. When we compare the total of debit to the total of credit, it will be always equal. Now let's check the journal entry. Now the adjustment entry will be Elaine's capital account debit to Monu's capital account to Ahmed's capital account. Okay, these adjustments entries will be done through the partner's capital account. Okay, single adjustment entry. All of you, I am giving you a similar question. Practice this question and solve it and send the solution to me. Almost same. Okay, there are three partners. Closing capital is given, profit is given, drawing of all the three partners is mentioned, interest on drawing and interest on capital is mentioned, profit sharing ratio is given. It is same, only the values have changed. Instead of 2:1:1, it is 3:2:1. Instead of partners Elaine, Monu and Ahmed, it is ABC. Okay, the values only change. Otherwise the treatment, the way you have to solve, the approach is almost same. Practice this question, it is very important. Okay, similar questions are asked in the board examination.